fancy feathers, aren't really built for flying long distances. They just get in the way. Crown cranes, both the black and the gray, have not lost their toe. So the halix you'll see on this bird is long, just like it is